When Parvati asked Shiva, "You're meditating, I can understand, okay, that is a spiritual thing. But now you're dancing, now you're hunting. What is the spiritual significance of all this? And you have all kinds of distorted and demented beings around you. What is the spiritual significance of all these people? I don't see any spirituality in them." So Shiva said, "There is nothing in the existence which is not spiritual. Everything is spiritual, unrealized. If there was no spirituality in you, there is no way somebody else can put it into you. It is not something that we are trying to invent. It is not something that we are trying to create. It is only something that we are making attempts to uncover.